Hello. I would like to book a room
Sure, for which dates?
from 10th May to 12th May. What is the price per night?
It is $10 per night.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. May I help you with your luggage?
Yes, please. Do you have a reservation? Yes, under the name Sweetie. May I see your ID? Here it is. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, free Wi-Fi is available. Thank you. The room is nice. Where is the switch? I would like to order food,
What would you like?
a sandwich and coffee. Can I get extra towels?
Yes, we will send them.
I have a problem. What is the problem? The AC is not working. Can I change my room? Yes, we will arrange another room. What is the Wi-Fi password? It is on the card. I would like to extend my stay. For how many days? One more day. What is the checkout time? 11 a.m. I would like to check out. Here is your bill. Can I pay by card?
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.